Hello everyone, welcome to Clarusway channel. My name is Serdar and I'm a cloud engineer at Clarusway AWS team. Today I'm gonna show you step by step how to create S3 bucket in your AWS account. You just need to follow my steps. First of all, you need to log in your AWS account. You can get S3 via a search box in here on top or using this service button. When you select the service, you can see all resources in the AWS, and you can select S3 option right over here, and it redirects you S3 console. What you have to do, you need to click on create button on right top side over there, and first of all we should define the bucket name. This bucket name must be unique. If you type a bucket name created by someone else before, you will receive a warning that this name exists. Let's call it special with our names like Clarusway AWS team. And secondly, the region where the bucket will be created must be determined. And because S3 is a region-based service, a bucket can be created only in a specific region. The region you want to work on should be selected for holding buckets according to your needs. You can select on this here drop-down menu, and I'm gonna select US East 1. Yeah, thirdly, a copy settings from existing bucket option can be used if there is a bucket that created before. Settings in that bucket can be taken for creating a new bucket. So, when creating more than one bucket, we are free from adjusting each bucket each time. In this example, I don't need to use this option, so leave it as default. And this is the part, the bucket settings for public access part. This is the part where we define the permissions regarding access to the bucket we will create in S3. Under block all public access option, there are 4 different sub-options for accessing the bucket as below. Now, when creating buckets, it's displayed by AWS as blocked to public access by default. If you require some level of public access to your buckets or objects within, you can customize the individual settings to suit your specific storage use cases. And I'm gonna keep it as is. And bucket version, again, you can select enable. And if you enable the bucket versioning, it will keep your all version of any objects in this bucket. Even you remove your object, it can keep the previous version of this object. And you can give a tag for your, you can define any tag for your buckets, and you can give a permission of encryption, and it will automatically encrypt new objects stored in this bucket. And then finally push the create bucket. Now, as we can see, our bucket here that has been created, and if you select that bucket, congratulations, you create your first bucket. Thank you for joining us.